this video introduces how to replace the carriage motor. So first of all, we need to connect the wires first. There at the end, another end of the motor. Come there. There's two wires. One is red and another is black. After connected the wire, then we put the carriage motor in this position here. Okay, then we will replace the carriage belt on the motor. The next step is to replace the encoder strip. To place the encoder strip, we need to make sure that the encoder strip is beside the carriage sensor. 能看到吗？
不太好看。
We can. The carriage sensor is located at the back of the carriage. We need to make sure that the encoder strip is exactly located beside. After that, then it's finished.